catch them talking.
So, what are you doing? Then look at that. Then let's do that. Amen. Look at that. Then all the things to do everything. Let's do everything, and even that would be so cool.
That would be so cool.
Yeah.
Whoa, you're very close to the camera, Barbie.
Yeah. So, what are you doing? So,
Why doesn't she talk to the other Barbie like they were doing before? They could have a little conversation.
maybe they pose. Maybe different could pose.
Okay.
Wait, different.
That's a nice pose. That's a really nice pose.
And make this pose up.
That's a very nice one. We could use that one for Tiny Frog Shop.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Nobody don't want that one from Tiny Frog Shop.
No? It's just for her?
I want different for Tiny Frog Shop.
Okay. Well, you're the CEO, so you get to decide what the poses are. Right? You're the boss of Tiny Frog Shop?
Barbie is.
Oh, Barbie's the boss?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think you're right about that, actually.
Barbie is the boss. Barbie is the boss. Barbie is the boss. I is the boss. Barbie is the boss. Barbie is the boss. Look at this pose.
That's an excellent pose.
That's the money pose.
That's the money pose?
Yeah.
That's the money pose?
Yeah. It's the money pose.
I think you're right. It's the money pose. Right there.
You get mud on your feet.
Oh, muddy pose? Like she got mud on her feet? I thought you said money pose. That's pretty good, though.
But
Can you say arrivederci?
I